As internal flights are planned to return for trips within Thailand, so we can expect prices to rise for those too. The Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand has outlined a list of requirements which include social distancing, no food or drink on flights, and all passengers, of course, to wear masks. In addition, cabin staff will need masks, gowns and face shields, and the rear row of seats on most flights must remain unallocated, kept instead for anyone showing symptoms of illness. Internal flights will be welcomed by many, however, of course, it will come at a cost to ensure safety. As the Islamic religious period of Ramadan has begun globally, here in Thailand at least, it won't be the usual mass gatherings in the evenings. Senior Islamic leaders have asked that local community meetings be cancelled, and instead that Muslims can break their fast in their own homes. Of 2,854 recognised cases of COVID-19 since the start, 2,490 have recovered and returned without symptoms to the population here in Thailand. Obviously not everyone in the country has been tested, any more than any other country. However, the numbers are excellent, and with just 15 new cases announced on Friday, it's kudos perhaps to the measures in place to prevent the spread. But not time, however, to think about returning to normality, as it's been confirmed globally that dropping controls can simply lead to a second outbreak. Has anyone noticed the real improvement in the air quality? Well, from a few months ago when Bangkok was in the red and dangerous and Pattaya suffered daily smog, a compendium of much lower traffic, along with a slowdown in industry, has seen the smog figures drop considerably. 23 people locally have been fined for using the beaches, which are out of bounds currently. This as the local police chief highlighted the need to stay away from the sand and parks, reservoirs, and any places where social interaction could take place. As in Europe, the ban is strictly enforced, but to the limit of manpower. He went on to say that they do understand the frustration of some, however the law will be strictly applied, as is the enforced wearing of masks when outside anywhere in Thailand. You did it. Congratulations and thanks to donating to our appeal for funding for those giving out food in our region. We were working full on yesterday, handing out supplies to many who contacted us, before delivering half a ton of rice to one of the largest groups and over 2,000 bottles of water during the day too. This can and will continue as long as funds keep coming in. We'll hit the 200,000 baht level today for sure, with cash donations included, but by Monday we'll have spent at least 120,000 of that on supplies. For details and a link to donate, please visit alwayspattaya.com. And if you're cooking and delivering food, contact us as well. It's free to you. We know you can't keep self-funding forever. It's not charity. It's a gift from our donors to you to keep up the good work. Numerous businesses are supporting the poor right now, from the Soy Six Boys who feed 800 a day to the mum and pup stores who feed 100. The number count is irrelevant. What's important is that the poor everywhere can access a meal or groceries for free. Over the coming week, businesses such as the Loft Pub, Hungry Hippo, Nadia, the Queen Vic and Manston's all join the growing collection of businesses from north to south, supporting Thais in need, which is amazing. Again, to donate or to get supplies, visit alwayspattaya.com and click on the link there. And with the reminder, mitts, masks and meters, wash your hands, wear a mask and keep social distancing, and the Met Office promising highs today of 32, dropping down to 27, and a good chance of rain over the weekend. That is the local and national news from Fab FM. For videos and of course to keep up with Fabulous Pattaya, visit alwayspattaya.com.